I'm sitting at a 9-meter catamaran boat. I'm doing the same file, and I do love the performance of this boat. So within about 1 hour, then the boat will be delivered to our will be delivered to the owner from our dealer. So it's obviously it's very empty and really great view.
Hi, it's Roger from Gospel Boat. Today I'm at the Subic Bay of Philippines and visit one of our dealers. It's one of our VIP dealer. It's Catamaran from Subic. So it's just finished the raining. You can see the bay is very quiet now. And now I'm sitting in front of this 9-meter by 3.5-meter catamaran boat. So now let's have a quick look of this finished boat. At the very beginning, we not make a nice finish at this one. This is a customized build with ended fly bridge in locally and interior decorations. So now let's follow me to have a quick look what it is inside. On the rear deck of the boat, now we'll be going from this ladder to go to the second floor to see how it look like. It's a fly bridge. It's one of the main very important improved feature for this boat by our dealers. Now let's go. You can see the front of the boat is looks quite tough, as this catamaran, and 9-meter by 3.5-meter is quite good for the family use, as it's made by the 6 mm on the bottom and 5 mm on the side, all with EVA floor, bedroom. It's very nice finish with the stickers, and white and black color is quite good, and always dark color windows. And it's powered by the twin Suzuki outboard engines. It's by twin Suzuki 300 horsepower and get a speed of 32 knots. So that's quite good speed. And always EVA floor installations, and it's also installation of the zip wick trim tabs. And on the side is put with a side door. And it's make it very easy when you go from the jetty to the interior of the boat. So now let's say the interior of the boat. You can see the transom with engines, walkway with a strong ladder. It's quite good space for the rear part, very wide. And on the back with a sink and fuel tank. Then you can see how the extension roof with the support, and it's also have very vertical ladder. It's very strong, and cushions. Also the rear window, which is can be open, rear door, and now we modification to be steps to going down the side of the boat. And here is the step. You can use a step to go up of the boat. So let's say the interior of the boat, interior finish. And here can modify to be steps. And you see the inside of the boat is quite nice finish with very soft cushions, like the sofas of the house. Interior finish with a separate toilet room and sleeping areas. A big dashboard with twin captain seat, Stormatic fridge, and very nice. And the drawer, and important features. This one with a lot of less room battery with a controller on this storage box, so it will be the power the aircon. And on the kitchen area, we put this wooden plate and screen. It's a big TV here, which can be adjustable. And you can see from here, it's a very luxury dashboard. A nice finish. Twin captain seat. And then you can see the interior of the sleeping cabins. It's very nice sofas. The front upholstery, the fans. Then here's the toilet room with a step. And you can have a 360-degree look of the interior finish. And you can see this is the rooftop aircon. The table, sofa, storage, and so nicely. Then you is the rear deck. You can see this is a very strong ladder made by the aluminium tube, and with this slippery aluminium check plate. And with it is entrance, so more easier. And the support. So, and have also the support from this plate. Now let's go on aboard. From these angles, so easy. Now you can see the layout of the upper deck flat bridge with aircons, Stomatic, and the side will be lounge sofas. All the electronics, joystick, Simrad, Suzuki controls, Sista, and also the windscreen for the captain. So you can see it's quite great visibility for the captain. And on the back, you see a lot of solar panels on the back. So you have one solar panel, 2, 3, 4 solar panels, and Stomatic aircons and Simrad. And the entrance of the ladder. And also with one bimini, foldable bimini. So this is a real small yacht.